Hello guys, welcome back to Techkibay YouTube channel, the home of technology and money making ideas. Today I want to teach you how to make use of micro lot size and boom and crash. Many synthetic traders are not aware that they can make use of lot size, any lot size lower than 0.2. Some think the minimum lot size they can make use of is 0.2, but they do not know that they can actually make use of a lower lot size below 0.2, which I'm about to show you right now. Okay, you know, this wouldn't be for all traders actually. This should be for traders who have a little capital or equity, such as $10, $15, or $20, as the case may be. Instead of them making use of 0.2 or 0.3 lot sizes, maybe for unexperienced traders who are just new to trading, they might actually blow their account because of they're making use of a lot size which they can't be able to manage very well. So and if you make use of this micro lot size, it will make you to control the rate of your losses and also maximize your profits, because you can now hold long trades, hold the trades for a long period of time without much loss. You can see we have an open position here. This is 0.1. That is it. So you can imagine making use of 0.1 loss size in boom and crash, and this is in profit. This market, this open position here, this position has been open for some hours, for like up to 5 hours. I just watched my trade, marked some trend lines, and you know I placed a trade with 0.1 lot size, and you will see that at the end of the day, even though I was in losses, it will actually go back to profit, because I wouldn't have to acquire much loss. I would have acquired much loss on this, and even though the market goes against me, and maybe perhaps I have a little capital, it will not affect me because I'm making of a little lot size. So guys, let me tell you how to do that. This is cash 500. So if you want to open any position with a little lot size or a smaller lot size below 0.2, you click this plus button to buy. Then this is 0.3. So when you buy, okay, then you go immediately and close it with 0.2. Then what's remaining here is 0.1. Okay, so that is how it works. Then you can still go below 0.1. What you have to do is if you open you may set to open 0.22. Then if you want to open with 0.02, if you open with 0.22, then you buy. Then once you have bought the crash 500, you now close the market immediately with 0.20, whereby it will now remain 0.02. You close. Okay, can you see that, guys? So right here you can actually open with 0.012 by making use of the same procedure. You buy with 0.21. Okay, then you close with 0.20. Just like normal mathematics, guys, you just have to calculate it, okay? You close the 0.2 because 0.21 minus 0.20 is 0.01. 0.30 minus, sorry, there was a spike actually, but it will go back to profit. So this is just a tutorial. I just want to teach you guys how it works, okay? So, and look at the loss, it won't be much on you. Even though there's a spike, it won't affect you that much. Look at the loss, 0.07, and we are still in profit. Okay. So if you make use of 0.3 lot size, then when you subtract 0.2 from the 0.3, it will now remain 0.1. Okay, or maybe if you open 0.2, if you open 0.22, they now close 0.20. That means 0.22 minus 0.20. What will remain for you will now be 0.02. So guys, that is the way you can open micro lot size on Boom and Crash. I wish you all the best, and make sure you like this video, share the video, and also subscribe to get more updates from us. Thank you so much for a wonderful time, and make sure you subscribe. Happy trading, guys. Have a lovely week.